Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Roop with your weekly instructional lesson 3. Yes, it's a little bit late, but better late than never, and hopefully you'll enjoy this one. The learning target is I can develop informational and explanatory thesis statements when writing an essay in history by flipping the questions into a sentence. All right, it is one of the COG skills, one of the 36. It just happens to be informational and explanatory thesis. And in this project, China and Rome, you're going to be doing a lot of informational, looking for information about China and Rome. So start off with a little bit of fun. I have 2 really fun songs that are by a history teacher in a middle school somewhere else, but I love his videos because he puts them to music, and in lots and lots of pictures helps it make a lot more sense. I also have this infographic. An infographic is a picture that kind of puts everything just in a nice little package. We're going to talk about the RACE strategy. RACE, restate the question, answer the question, cite the evidence, and explain your reasoning. A lot of times when you get these open-ended response questions, you should take the very first question and flip that question into a sentence. It really helps to make a really nice thesis statement in the beginning of your writing. After you're done with that, I want you to look at a little infographic about how to write a flip statement. I don't have a do for you because I think you have enough to do already, but I would like you to explain what does the RACE strategy mean. Look at that infographic and put it in your own words. I have a quizzes on thesis statements, really kind of an easy one, true and false. But what I wanted to share with you is something I'm kind of excited about. Another Padlet, but it's a really cool Padlet. If you open this one up, it's a map. It's a map. And it's so great that you can move the map around and really study China. Look how it's shaped like a chicken. See the chicken's head for China, the chicken's body, and there's Taiwan as a foot, and here's another island for a foot for China. You're going to be exploring more about China and the Silk Road, how they traded with Rome. And here's a picture of Rome right here. Rome, Italy, always looks like a boot kicking a football. So that's how I recognize Italy and Rome. But there was trade that went back and forth between these 2 countries. How did they do it? Well, you're going to read more about China and Rome in this project and think about how things are kind of similar today. Yes, it happened thousands of years ago with China and Rome, but believe it or not, we still trade with China. Such a big country, makes a lot of things, and now the trade comes to the U.S. across the ocean and to us in Pennsylvania. So you're going to be doing some more discovery about China and Rome. Okay, so we have that part to check out on the Padlet, and then come down to the bottom so that you can get credit for this WIL. You want to get credit so that your name can go into a drawing for a big prize. Can you flip this question into a statement? What are 2 things you have learned about China and Rome? I want to see, can you flip the question and put it into a sentence and finish the statement? Okay, guys, this is short and sweet because I know that you have a lot to do. I need you to do some more wills, please. If you haven't started doing them, do them now because we have a contest going on where you can win prizes. It's the leap year, leap into learning. So let's see if you can get this done. See ya.